Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will show you how to make Cash App stop refunding. For this, first open your Cash App, then log into your account. After logging in, go to activity section from here. Then you will see your sended money here. Tap on it, then you will see pending or receipt option. If you see this, then here you will see at the dot option here. Tap on it, then you will see here cancel anytime and select it. Then just tap on yes, and it will be a stop refunding. And if it doesn't work, then what you have to do, just go back here and tap on three dots, then select view profile. Then here you will see request or pair two options. Just tap on request. Now what you have to do, you can add a note for this to stop refunding and how much money you want to stop. Then tap on request. Now after this, your request will be sent to your friend or anyone. Then if he accept it, it will be stopped. And that's how you can stop refund.